Do you want to get into time series analysis? Fancy some forecasting? Then join us. Come to the dark side. Dive into time series analysis. My new applied time series course is available on Udemy. The link is down below in the description. This course covers univariate and multivariate time series models, including ARIMA, vector autoregressions, and vector error correction models. In addition, we explore cointegration and panel VARs, which are usually not covered in time series courses. The course starts with an introduction to time series, stationarity, and unit root testing. Then we establish the order of integration of time series before moving into autoregressive integrated moving average models. Intervention analysis is also covered. This is very useful and a nice extension of ARIMA modeling. This method can detect the anticipation of events such as policy changes. Multivariate models, including VARs and VECMs, will be covered quite extensively in this course. Short-term dynamics and long-run equilibrium conditions between time series can be analyzed using impulse response functions and cointegration. Most importantly, we will discuss structural break detection, which is crucial in enhancing our ability to forecast time series. Structural breaks can occur at known and unknown points in time. We will learn about methods that can be used to find optimal breakpoints. Furthermore, this course covers ARCH and GARCH models to predict the conditional variance of time series. Now, this is quite important in the context of analyzing financial time series. All material is available on Udemy. You can use older versions of Stata to conduct the analysis. Come, join us. Let's enjoy the joy of data analysis. I see you there.